Geido is a Japanese philosophy that views learning as a lifelong journey. Instead of focusing only on outcomes, it emphasizes the process of continuous practice. Through this journey, skills improve, but more importantly, the learner grows as a person. Real learning does not happen instantly. In Geido, learning progresses through stages, each with its own purpose. When stages are skipped, understanding becomes shallow, even if the learner appears fast or confident. In modern interpretations of Geido, learning follows three main phases: commitment, mimicry, and expression. These phases are closely related to the classical concept of shu, ha, and ai, which describes how mastery develops over time. Commitment is not about motivation or excitement. It is about consistency. At this stage, learners continue to practice even when progress is slow, learning to trust the structure and discipline of the process. Commitment builds patience and discipline. It trains learners to rely less on motivation and more on habit. This stage is often where many stop, but those who remain develop a strong foundation for future learning. Mimicry involves learning through imitation. In Geido, copying is not considered weakness. By following proven examples and repeating correct methods, learners develop deep understanding and internalize proper techniques. True mimicry goes beyond copying answers. It focuses on understanding the process and learning from mistakes. This stage creates a solid foundation that allows originality to emerge later in a meaningful way. Expression is the stage where personal style begins to appear. Creativity at this level is supported by strong fundamentals. Learners can adapt, improvise, and make decisions confidently without losing correctness. Expression cannot be rushed. It comes only after long and consistent practice. This stage is not about breaking rules, but about understanding them so deeply that one can move beyond them with confidence and control. Geido reminds us that learning is not a race. Through commitment, honest imitation, and mature expression, mastery develops naturally. More importantly, the learning process shapes not only what we can do, but who we become.